this potential to accelerate scientific discovery. And that's amongst all of this, again, completely justified focus, right, on how to use AI to improve health, learning, transportation, all kinds of real-world problems, right, that we face. I feel this area hasn't received as much attention in India. And last year's Nobel Prize in chemistry should be kind of a good signal, right, of what's likely to come. So proteins, as we all know, right, from our high school biology, are the basic building blocks of life, comprising of, they are made out of these chains of amino acids, which fold into a particular shape that gives the protein its distinctive properties. So if you go back, let's say, a decade ago, it used to take about an entire PhD, close to 5 years of research, to uncover the structure of a single protein. And today, with the help of this model, AlphaFold, right, for which Dennis and John Jumper won the Nobel Prize, this can be done in a few seconds. So about 5 years of research, which can now be done in a few seconds. So, in fact, this team made the predicted structures of all 200 million proteins known to humankind freely available. And today, AlphaFold is being used by a lot of researchers, over 2 million researchers worldwide, for applications ranging from drug discovery to even like designing enzymes to help make plastics more degradable. But coming to the more mainstream kind of world of generative AI, what we have seen is this move from specialized models, right? That earlier, if we go back 5-10 years ago, we used to build specialized models, often deep learning based, to solve a given problem. And what we have seen is this shift from specialized to these foundation models, which are pre-trained on large volumes of data and extremely powerful. So at Google, we have been building this model called Gemini. And to show you some examples of some of the capabilities of Gemini. So while the term LLM has caught on, large language model, today these models are going well beyond just language, beyond just text. Today they can handle multimodal inputs. Again, I don't know why it's not on screen. So to illustrate, some of this multimodal capability, and also this long context window that Gemini has been offering, over 2 million tokens, which means what you can do is you can use data with that many tokens as part of your input, where this data isn't part of something that the model has been trained on, but can be used as part of the input. So now if we feed, let's say something like a 45-minute video, you could feed it up to 2 hours of video. As part of the input to this Gemini prompt, let's take a look at what this model is able to do.
We gave it this drawing of a scene you're thinking of and asked, what is the time code when this happens? This is an example of a multimodal prompt where we combine text and image in our input. The model returned this time code, 1534. We pulled that up and found that it was the correct scene. Like all generative models, responses vary and won't always be perfect. But notice how we didn't have to explain what was happening in the drawing. Simple drawings like this are a good way to test if the model can find something based on just a few abstract details, like it did here. These are just a couple examples of what's possible with a context window of up to 1
Take action. Gemini 2.0 is what enables Take Action. Gemini 2.0 is what enables Project Astra, our research prototype of a universal AI assistant. Using capabilities like multimodal memory and real-time information, it lets you understand your world live.
What can you tell me about this sculpture?
The sculpture you're seeing is called My World and Your World by Eva Rothschild, located in Louis Stupid Park in London.
What kind of themes are working for?
She creates abstract sculptures that invite viewers to interact with and interpret their surroundings in new ways.
Project Astra is multilingual, using native audio to seamlessly switch languages as you speak.
Est-ce que tu peux dire quelque chose d'intéressant pour ces lanternes?
Bien sûr, je peux vous parler des lanternes. Les lanternes que vous voyez font partie